This question was sent by a subscriber about emergency vehicles on your driving test. So this is the scenario that Rich has asked me to answer. Is you're about to enter a major roundabout. It's clear you've entered it, and after you've entered it, the cars in front of you all start slowing down, stopping because there's an ambulance approaching fast with the sirens blasting away, and everything comes to a standstill. And he wants to know, would he fail the driving test for blocking the ambulance to get on or to get off? I would say no, you wouldn't at that point, because it's an unusual situation that crops up that you can't really cope with. Usually what happens when everything comes to a standstill, the cars move forward slowly and start to make space, and people move to the left or move to the right so the ambulance can get through. That's what usually happens. What I would say is try and do your observations if you happen to move sideways so that you're aware. So if you happen to go left, look over your left. Have to go right, look over your right, and just kind of edge out and listen to the examiner, because they might be giving you a little bit of a help here. So it's an unusual situation. Now what I would do if I had hindsight of what was going to happen is, if I'm going to slow down and roundabout, keep a space for at least one car of the car in front of you, so that you've got a bit more space to move around to make it a little bit easier for you. And the final thing would be, emergency vehicles don't want you to pull over in dangerous places. So if you can pull over before the roundabout, if you know it's coming, then that's even better. Or if you can get off the roundabout safely and pull over somewhere safe, but not on a sharp bend, not in a dangerous corner, then do that also. So I hope this kind of helps you. What I'll do is I'll put a link below to a video on Blue Aware, which is the video that was produced about emergency vehicles. That'll give you an idea of what you can be doing. Okay, safe driving, and keep them questions coming.